beautiful people. Today we will be reviewing the Alipearl hair. They sent me this. This video is sponsored. But first we're going to go over what's inside of the box. First of all, I think the packaging is really good. I have not received any packaging like a gold package like that. So that's definitely eye-catching. Of course, the first things first that you're going to receive in here is your hair. This is a hair, and it actually comes pre-bleach, pre-plucked. So I'm pretty excited about that because I honestly did not feel like bleaching or plucking. Look at that on the side. Can y'all see that? Oh my gosh, everything. Okay, because I was like, I did not feel like doing nothing extra with this hair just besides just putting it on today because I'm tired. Oh, let me tell y'all, it is HD lace, and it is a 13x4, 22-inch. I think this is water wave. I'm not really sure. We're gonna see. I normally do a 13x6. It's a 13x4. I'm gonna open it up and show you guys that in a minute. I think it's like a little bit smaller, but we'll see. It also comes with a mirror on the inside, which is pretty cool. It has Alipearl on the back of it. You will be getting, of course, your melting band. I definitely needed another one of these because the ones that I have are pretty stretched out, so that's perfect. Of course, you get, like, you know, your little edge stuff to do your edges with. You get your wig caps because everybody needs those for a good install. But something else that I thought was really cool in this packaging is that you also receive some glue. Not glue, but like, well, I guess it would be considered glue. Like the little strips. Oh my goodness. I used to have this back in the day when they first came out with HD wigs and stuff like that. It's very good. I have not tried it in a while. I wanted to try it, but I don't know if I will. We'll see. And then also you get your bag, you know, to carry your wig in. So yeah, that's it. But let's go ahead and start with this install, baby, because I am tired. Okay, I really want some seafood, and let's go. So as you guys can see, I got my little ball cap on or whatever, but I did want to show you guys this before I even do anything to the hair. I love the fact that this is pre-plucked. Hopefully you guys can see that. It's pre-plucked. It appears to be pre-bleached. I probably will go in and bleach it just one more time. But for the sake of this video and just kind of seeing how the hair actually installs without it, I'm not going to do it. Like I was telling you guys, it's a 13x4. Okay, I don't know why I felt like it wasn't going to be that much room. Okay, but it is in the frontal, as you guys can see. I thought it was going to be more of like a T part, but it's not. So that's really good, actually. But yeah, this is how the hair looks fresh out of the package. I have not touched it. This is my first time like really running my fingers through it, but this is fresh out of the package. I really just cannot get over that hairline. Like the hairline looks so good, and I love that it appears to be already you know, hot combed and stuff. So we should be able to just throw this on and go. So that's what I'm about to do.
to sit in peace. Cause all of these niggas be on you. I'm just saying I can be, yeah. But that you call and you talk to girls, I'll share my world with you. If you gonna waste your time, yeah. Waste your time with me. I mean honestly, open your eyes and see. If you gonna just giving you what you need, waste your time with me. You could have all the space, more than you need. It's no rush, if you got time to waste it with me. And I be worried about them. Girl, you wanted I see. And I am who I am. And I be where I be. If you ever hit me on a late night, I'll give you a clear mind. Might give you some insight. I'll share my world with you. If you gonna waste your time, waste your time with me. I mean honestly, open your eyes and see. If you gonna waste your time with me, waste your time with me. You can have all the space, all that you need. It's no rush. If you got time to waste it with me. Don't close your eyes to get away. Just bang my line and I'll arrange it. Beautiful girl, you stainless. You'll be fine, I'll be painless, yeah. All I'm drinking is champagne. All you want is the same thing. Yeah. The 10,000 building, get your ass an apartment, put you inside a G-class, that's just a start. It get plenty things count in life, but none of them is the thought of it. New piece around my neck is chess games. Can shorty stay with calculated moves like Beth Harmon? Swear I'm more Purple Rain Prince than Prince Charming. Disappointment I stay expecting it. The pessimist gold medalist flush the magnums just so they not collecting my specimens. Damn.
Alright guys, so here we are. This is the finished install. When I tell you that this has been the easiest install that I have done to date, like just being able to take it out of the box is already pre-plucked. I did not have to do any additional plucking, although I'm not really good at that anyway. I didn't have to do any additional plucking. I didn't even have to bleach it. Like I told you at the beginning of the video, I am pretty tired. Didn't feel like, you know, plucking or anything like that. So the fact that I was able to just kind of take this out of the box, put it on my head with no issues, it's just amazing. And you guys see the hairline? This is probably like one of the best wigs I've had or I've ever been sent. Like this wig is literally so easy to just put on, and I love that hairline. My goodness, whoever did the plucking on this, you did A1. You did very, very, very good. It looks amazing. And then the density, like it's so thick. It kind of reminds me of like that scissor hair, you know, like just big, nice, voluptuous curls. That's what I'm getting from it. But yes, this definitely would recommend it. And like I said, it's been the easiest install to date. Literally, I've done nothing other than the things that you guys have seen, which is literally pull it out of the bag and put it on my head and go. So yeah, that's it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. The link to this hair will be listed down in the bio. But that's it. I gotta go. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys next time.